Hey everyone, so welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be filming a car tour, and people have requested this before, and I just kind of want to film this because I love watching them. I've been watching a ton lately, but just to start this video off, I just want to say a disclaimer. In no way am I trying to brag, I just really enjoy watching these videos, so I thought I would like to film one too. So right now I'm at Starbucks. I just got Starbucks, and I got, let me just tell you guys what I got. I got a venti strawberry Aussie refresher with no inclusions and 3 scoops of matcha powder. I'm going to drive home and then film for you guys when I get back home. So this is my car. It is an Audi A4. It's white, it has a black interior, it's 2011. And I covered the license plate so nobody like kills me or anything. But I'll give you guys a look at what it looks like. Yes, I know this is a really nice car for someone my age because I'm only 17, but I was so grateful because I got to get a car for my 16th birthday, and I was deciding between the 2011 Audi and a 2017 Jetta. Yeah, I decided to pick this car, and I am so grateful for my parents that they could get me this for my birthday, and I am not trying to brag. I'm not trying to just brush this over like just casual, because I'm so grateful. I love my car. I tell my parents that all the time, and I thank them constantly for my car. So yeah. So first of all, these are my keys, and the key's kind of weird. It's like an FOB thing, but then it pops out. I can't do it with one hand, but it pops out and it has the key inside. And then I have this puffball keychain. It used to have like another part of the keychain, but it broke off because it was really cheap from Michael's. And then the wrist strap I have on it is from my Michael Kors wallet. So I have that on here, as you can see. So this is my side of the car. This is the driver's door. So let's just open it. And so as you can see, it's a black leather interior, which is so pretty. And even though the car's 2011, I got it in 2017. When I got it, the interior was so nice. It's in a really good condition. Whoever had this car before me, because it was refurbished, they must have taken really good care of it. I love the black interior. It's really pretty, but it does get super, super hot in the summer, especially in California. Like, even when it was outside for like 20 minutes and I just moved it and I got in and I started sweating. So when you get in my car, I just showed you guys my keys. They look like this. And how you start the car, it's kind of weird because it's older, but so you take the key like this and you like push it in here, and so I'm pushing on the brake like this, and then it turns on and it plays music. So I'll start with what is on this side of the door. So on this side of the door, I have a thing of wipes because those always come in handy. I need to clean a Chick-fil-A and a Starbucks straw wrapper. And then I actually just found this when I was cleaning my car. I guess my dad put this in here. It's like a creamy vanilla air freshener. My car's been smelling really good. And then up here we have all of this good stuff. And it says the song right there that's currently playing. Time, still need to fix that because I haven't fixed it since daylight savings. And then I have 230 miles of gas. The car has 71, sorry, it's really not focused. The car has 71,000 miles. It had 50,000 when I got it, which is really good since it is a 2011 car. So it had a really good number of miles, and it wasn't that expensive when I got it, so then over here we've got the lights, lock the car, unlock the car. I've got, this is for adjusting my mirrors. This is for rolling all the windows down, child locking the windows when I have my friends in the car. So then as you can tell, the car is a little bit older, so it doesn't have like all the new stuff right here, like the touch screen, all that fancy stuff. So then this controls the temperature. Whenever I play music, people always think that this is what controls the music, so start like cranking this up and just like starts turning the car into a sauna and turns the heat up. So this controls the temperature of the car, and it's really weird because when you just twist this, it turns up the heat, but then if you push the air button and then turn up the heat, twist the knob, then it turns up how much air is coming out. So in the middle we have this. If we want to be in, we have the Perndl, but it's not. It's PRNDS because sport mode, since it's an Audi A4. And then right here we have the parking, the emergency brake. So you pull it up, turn it on, So then after all that control stuff, I have my cup holders, and this is so weird because this cup holder is so much bigger than that one. So then right here I have my gate opener to open the gate to my neighborhood. I have my best friend's gate opener for her neighborhood. She got that for me for my birthday. That was definitely my favorite present for my birthday by far. So then I have my center console, and in here I have, this is my school parking pass, which I took down so you can't see where I go to school. I have a Snickers. I don't really know why, it's actually rock hard. I have some eye drops because I have contacts and my eyes always get really irritated. I have some money. My mom told me that you should always have money in your car, at least like $10 in case you run out of gas or your car doesn't work or something like that. So I've always kept money in my car. So I'm not gonna show you guys my information, but like, are we kidding? Like, I look so different. It's actually funny. Funny story, this is the day I failed my permit test. So then I just took it out, but I have my AAA insurance card. I have, my charger is in here. It's kind of weird, but this is the only charger in the car and it goes right here. So I have that in here. I have 2 things of Aquaphor because if you know me, you know Aquaphor. I have this lip gloss. The Snickers, already went over that. I have contacts in here because I wear contacts and sometimes they get uncomfortable with something and I have to take them out. But I actually had to put some in the other day because my allergies have been really bad. So I had to use them. So I only have 1 in here, so that wouldn't be really helpful if I wanted to put some in. But and then I have a Lactaid. I need to put some more in here, but lactose intolerance, super, super fun. I have a pen in here and I have a hair tie. But all of my hair ties go right here next to the steering wheel. I have a scrunchie on here and yeah. So then on the other side, in the other door, I have this pouch with all the stuff in my car in it. Like, this is all like the necessities in the car. I'll go through it in a second. And then I have these scissors which are labeled kitchen. So Mom, if you're watching this, I'm sorry, I stole these from the kitchen. So in this bag, we'll go through it. So what I have in here is I have, first of all, I have a Tylenol thing, but actually what's in here is Excedrin, which is, if you get migraines, it's migraine medicine. I have a thing of hair ties because these always come in handy, even though I have some on there. I did not clean this out before filming this. There's random stuff in here. I have 2 eyelash curlers, not 1, but 2. I have a bar, but it's really crushed, so I don't think if I get like trapped in the snow or something, I could eat that. I have 2 different mascaras. I have another scrunchie. I have more contacts in here. I have this Bath & Body Works Vanilla Bean Scentables thing because I have this which goes onto your air vent, but I have that other air freshener thing and it was kind of like too much smell, so I just put this back here. But this is to replace it and they smell really good. I have a tampon, necessities. And then I have some sunscreen. Last but not least, I have some nail clippers because I always get hangnails and stuff like that. So I have a water bottle on the ground. There's always water bottles in my car. So as you can see, this is the glove compartment. The glove compartment's tiny and nothing can fit in here. But so since my car is a 2011 car, it doesn't have Bluetooth built in or like an aux cord built in. You can get this upgraded and you can get that, but I just didn't want to pay for that. So what I got is I ordered this on Amazon and it's this tune to air thingy that you can plug in. So this is where the audio jack is, where you can put like an aux cord or something, but then my phone would literally have to be in this when I was driving. So I got this thing and what this does is it makes my car have Bluetooth audio. So that is awesome. So that gives me Bluetooth audio so that I can play music in my car. So yeah, I think it was. So this is the back seat of my car and it's actually weird sitting in the back seat of my own car. So honestly, half the time I'll have like random clothes and stuff back here, but my dad cleaned my car and got gaffs for me on Friday, so that was really nice of him. I love my dad so much. In the middle here, this goes down, and in here it has a cup holder, and you can open this and put things in here. I have nothing in here because nobody really sits in the back of my car, but it has the extra cup holders, which is nice since there's only 2 up there. And then the other thing I have in here is I have an umbrella, which is helpful. And then it has the lock, unlock. They can control their own windows on both sides. It has the same thing. And yeah, there's a middle seat, 3 seats back here, like a normal. So then the last thing is the trunk, and you can pop the trunk either on the keys or by doing this. So that pops the trunk open. So in here I have this car kit, like if my car breaks down or anything happens, there's some stuff in there. I have a soft blanket. This is usually for when my dog comes in my car with me. I have this picnic blanket, which I use all the time. I have another blanket. This is like if the grass is wet or something, this is really handy because one side's waterproof, the other side is soft. I have some sunscreen, and then I have my yoga mat and my mat cover because I love doing hot yoga. And this is a bag with a Tupperware in it to give back to my friend. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I know that I like watching these videos, and especially when I was getting my first car, I wanted to watch these to see what type of car I wanted. So I hope this was helpful to you, or that you enjoyed watching if you're just watching for fun. And make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Comment a request for a video down below. Don't forget to follow me on all social media, on Instagram, Twitter, everything. But I love you guys all so much. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you guys next time.